little clearing after all the rain came through. Check this out over here. There's a little community up in there. They probably got all washed out, looks like. Pretty crazy, eh? Let's go have a look, see, get in there closer. We were like 100 millimeters to 200 millimeters worth. Check it out over here. So they had to clear it out, all the sand probably went under. One little pipe in there. But the kids are having fun. Bye! They're always having fun, eh? Playing in the mud. He's doing an awesome job cleaning. Yes, sir. Got to keep the water flowing so it doesn't back up over the highway, right?